is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
That's not true, Mr. Robert.
I don't know, Carl.
I do. I know.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, the coming mess. Oh.
On Thursday evening, April 24, 2025, the National Weather Service in the Omaha Valley issued a flash flood warning for parts of southeastern Douglas County in Nebraska and west central Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, including areas of southern Omaha and southwestern Council Bluffs. The warning, which lasted until 7:45 p.m. CDT, was triggered by thunderstorms dumping 2.5 to 3.5 inches of rain in less than an hour, 3 times the rainfall Omaha had seen all month. Prior, Doppler radar confirmed heavy downpours that overwhelmed drainage systems, leading to life-threatening flooding across the region. The flooding has been described as severe, with multiple water rescues reported in southern Omaha. Social media posts on X captured dramatic scenes of cars being swept away in the Midtown area, streets turning into rivers, and significant flooding at Brigham University. The National Weather Service urged residents to seek higher ground immediately, emphasizing the life-threatening nature of the situation. Areas like Ralston, Carter Lake, Exarban, Benson, South Omaha, Florence, Epley Airfield, and Old Market were particularly hard hit, with flash flooding affecting small creeks, urban streets, highways, and low-lying areas. The floods were part of a broader severe weather event, with the National Weather Service also issuing a tornado warning for eastern Douglas County and southwestern Potawatomi County until 5 afternoon, and a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Lancaster, Seward, and South County. A tornado was reported near southeastern Omaha, moving northeast at 20 miles a beer, adding to the region's challenges. The combination of torrential rain, tornado threats, and thunderstorms has kept emergency responders on high alert. This isn't the first time Omaha has faced flooding recently. In July 2024, heavy rains caused the Missouri River to rise, flooding farmland and riverfront areas in southeast Nebraska, including Bellevue's Haworth Park. Earlier in May 2024, flash flooding from 4 to 8 inches of rain led to record levels on Big Papillion Creek and multiple water rescues in the Omaha metro. Recurring events have raised concerns about infrastructure and preparedness, especially
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
That's not true, Mr. Robert.
I don't know, Carl.
Avoid flooded areas. Posts on X highlight the community's concerns, residents sharing updates. The National Weather Service continues to monitor the situation, warning of additional heavy rainfall that could worsen conditions. As Omaha recovers, questions linger about the region's vulnerability to flash floods and the role of climate change in intensifying these events. For now, residents are urged to stay informed, avoid travel in affected areas, and follow emergency guidelines. We'll keep you updated as the situation evolves.
One more time for a tornado.
How high's the water, mama? 2 feet high and dry. How high's the water, papa?
can't. Come to the spaghetti feed tomorrow, please.
I can't even.
I want to open the door. That would be fun.